weet hoeveel dagen is het? Is het day 3, day 4? I'm tired! Kom val in by die Fountains. Die Fountains maak hulle kombuisie leeg vandag. Want ons is mos besig met renovations. Kyk hoe met haar vrot en skeet. So ek kry 'n nuwe kombuisie vir my verjaarsdag. Ek verjaar die 4de November 2025. Maar nou is my familie besig om die kombuisie agter mekaar te maak. Sodat ons lekker kossies kan maak vir julle hier op die TV.
Yes, so it's going to be, say no, it's going to be a, don't just run away, you must tell your family. It's going to be a 3, possibly 4 day project.
We're hoping 3 days, but ons is nog nie delusional nie. Van al die tels moet afkom. Hy is already guys. It's a very groot job om hierdie klein teltjies af te haal. So, they're starting tomorrow. That's Monday. And we'll take you through the process.
Yes. Also, we're going to document the renovation process. We're going to document the quality of food Mother's going to make now that you can't use her kitchen.
Ja. Die brein moet nou werk nou, want ons kan nie nou kookreis aansit nie. Die kombuis gaan nou empty gemaak word vandag. En dan môre kom die werkers. En dan hopelik by volgende week se Saterdag kan ons vir julle weer 'n kook dingetjie opsit, nee.
Don't make promises you don't keep.
Okay, so I'm not gonna make a promise. Ons gaan net vir julle show step by step what's happening. So watch this space. So I'm closing the kitchen. It's Monday. I'm closing my kitchen for a week.
Yeah, we couldn't get a lot of content yesterday because it was chaotic yesterday.
Out the kitchen, those fancy cupboards are empty.
Everything's emptied out.
Everything's empty.
We just need to
Okay, so I'm thinking of the last, but
yeah. And then the Tylers are coming this morning, and they're like that behind my wish is one of the reasons why we are doing this.
I'm just very excited.
The Denny's are on the way.
I'm very excited for my new kitchen. Ek gaan heeltemal spog met my nuwe kitchen. Hoe kan je met die TV zitten met de onderkamde kop?
Huh?
Hoe kan je met die TV zitten met de onderkamde kop?
Are you really worried about that now?
What was I worried about? Wat moet ik van oor af worry nou?
No, it's not like we're worried about, but we've been so busy. At one point did I have to tell you we need to create content, but we also need to empty the kitchen. So, you know, what are you sacrificing?
It's up from 6 o'clock up. I didn't even have a second cup of coffee yet.
Nah, eat daddy al breakfast.
Ja, toen pas moest die pas aan die plaats eet al breakfast. I'm gonna go have my tweede kopje sabbelei vir die oggend. Ja, kyk jy lyk hulle nou. Day 1.
Day 1 is the progress. Yeah, there we go. They did a lot for the first day, hey?
Yeah.
There's a lot to do still, but they did a lot for the first day.
3 days.
My mother told the boulders 3 days.
Yeah.
I don't think it's possible, but okay.
3 days.
Ja, miskien die prep is die worst one. Zie alles af is en ek gaan nou net kom plak.
So we hopeful, but this is day 1. Kom kyk wat eet ons nou, het is 2 of nie. Kom kyk wat eet ons.
What are you preparing for us tonight?
Okay, Sean wees as was a picnic. So die phrase.
Okay.
Ons is sap.
There's cheese Viennas, or chicken Viennas with cheese. There's some ham sandwich. There's rolls. And
Why is the chutney not on the
And
table?
this is the worst.
the sauces.
We're not even going to wash dishes.
Ons is regtig op 'n pieknik.
Must I play some beach sounds on the TV?
Ja.
So it can simulate a
Ons
beach
kan-
experience.
Ons kan. Because ek is nie by 'n stoof nie.
Your stove isn't by you even.
Ek is ook nie by 'n kook in 'n stowwerige plek nie. No. So from today, Monday,
Until Wednesday, your
Maybe.
proposed
of
Thursday.
Friday,
Friday.
gaan ons brood eet.
Oh.
Brood in all shape. What is it? This is nou my favorite. Brood in all shapes and sizes. Yes. Is brood for a whole week. Vanaand eet ons met Vienna, môre eet ons met something else.
Why do you have tears in your eyes? Anyway, guys, it is Tuesday. It's Tuesday because Mama Bear and I were squabbling over which day it is. Day 3, day 2. I forgot what day we started filming. Mama Bear says we started filming on Sunday. This is a fever dream. So instead of saying day 1, it's Tuesday. They have successfully taken off all of the tiles. Yeah. So I think tomorrow they're gonna just come and lay the new tiles. It really looks like a total construction project. How do you feel about this, Malvi?
Ek wil weet hoeveel dae is dit? Is it day 3, day 4? I'm tired.
Is this not day 2?
Apparently we started filming on Sunday.
No, but this is day
Ek kan nie
2.
hulle weet.
It was a hectic job. It didn't seem so bad when the tiles were on the wall, but
Now it's just to pluck the tiles.
now they must just stick the tiles.
Hulle moet nou net stick. Hopefully, ek het genoeg.
Mama Bear put pressure on them. She said this must be a 3-day job.
And
You and I
hopefully
hopes.
Yeah,
It
but
should be done by Friday.
yeah, it should be done by Friday. They did good work in terms of the speed because there was a lot of those tiles on here.
But yeah,
The work that's going to be the most hectic, Mother, is not going. It's when all the tiles are up and the tilers leave and we have to come in
that's
and
just
clean
it.
and
That's
move
just
all
it.
the
All that
appliances
things
back.
that must come back. Oh my word, ek het nou nie krag vir dit. But anyway, julle, dit is nou die kombuisie nou so ver. Ons is net so excited soos julle om te sien die big reveal.
Okay, Mommy, what have you prepared for us?
Tonight I prepared some chicken. It's Kentucky and vandaag. I made some nice Kentuckys for supper. Are we gonna have it with bread? Bread again?
No bread.
Just the chicken. Is that coleslaw on? Okay, it's a family treat from Kentucky. But on
Unbox it, Moss.
But on the tafel twice. So this is 2 coleslaws,
Nie bang as ek kry gaan.
2 burgers. Oh, this is best. This is the best of the best. Do a taste test. And then the black. And 2 chips.
Dinner is served.
En weet jy, we gaan kyk en we gaan eet van die chips. Patatkinne. Okay guys, is mos nou nog 'n update van die kitchen. Langlaste update. Why? Because toe die eerste wit tiles op my mure kom.
Let's show. Yeah. What happened?
Sê ek, nee, die kaste pas nou nie by die tiles nie. Crazy het in my kop aangegaan julle. En wat? Because I'm nou gelukkig op die top sê. Sien julle by so hoe die tops. Die tops gaan nie pas met die kaste nie. Spier wat tiles met brain tops nou. These pages is wit. So I took it off. I said take off. I want new cupboards. But guess what? Dit het in my brain sense gemaak, né? En die ander mense wat geld het, se brains het dit sense gemaak. Ek het nie geld, I don't have a job, but I've got crazy ideas. So now we are stuck between a rock and a hard place. Gaan die kas terug na die wit tiles toe of gaan die na die vuil goed rond toe? Want ek soek hier 'n uitgepaste kas op my mure nie. What do you think, Rizli?
And that's why the tiling is taking so long.
Pick me. And wat van die stoof?
Oh yeah.
Yes,
She also,
yes.
She
I don't
also
want the
got
old stove.
New stove.
New stove. Wat is anders met die
So the tiling is delayed because you bought new countertops.
Ja, ons het die hele wêreld is gedelay deur moi. I said stop this thing. Wat is die ding se naam? Project. I stopped the project and I said nobody's doing
Mind
anything.
you
Nobody's
guys-
touching my kitchen. I want new cupboards. I want a new stove. I want new countertops.
All we did was tile the kitchen. Anyway.
And I'm not ondankbaar, you know. I'm very grateful. It might seem that I'm ondankbaar. But ek is ondankbaar. Ek is dankbaar vir die Here dat my kinders en my man vir my geprobeer het om vir my 60ste verjaarsdag 'n nuwe kitchen te gee. Ons stel die dag van na die 60th toe aan and we still at 0. So anyway, ons hoop julle het nou die updates ge-enjoy.
Come for part 2.
Follow my for part 2 en sien of die crazy nog aangaan of ek nog 'n kitchen het na die 60. Moet nou nie vergeet nie, klik like en subscribe. Pa.